Hello, I'm Sage Langston Stewart, a project geologist with Western Alaska Minerals. Today I'm going to talk about the most recent press release discussing the extension of mineralization at the Water Pump Creek silver lead zinc carbonate replacement deposit and the drilling results at the Last Hurrah prospect. For those of you who are unfamiliar with WAM, we are located in west central Alaska where the red pin is on this map. I'm just going to dive right into the Illinois Creek District. This is a geologic map of the Illinois Creek District with the historic gold, copper, silver Illinois Creek mine highlighted and the location of Water Pump Creek and Last Hurrah, which is what I will be discussing today. Zooming into Water Pump Creek, we've completed 5 infill and extension drill holes this summer, which are shown in blue on the map here. The highlight of this release is drill hole Water Pump Creek 23-30, which cut 71.6 meters of multiple sulfide zones and extends the Water Pump Creek mineralization 45 meters to the south, bringing the total strike length to 495 meters. Check out the table in the press release to see those grades. What I really want to talk about today is the drill results from Last Hurrah, which is about 700 meters to the south of Water Pump Creek mineralization, which is shown on the map here. D to D prime is the profile of 4 drill holes completed this year at Last Hurrah. Taking a look at the cross-section, all 4 widely spaced drill holes intersected real significant alteration, including sanding, bleaching, recrystallization, tan alteration, and UV fluorescence. The most exciting intercept comes from Last Hurrah 23-0005, which intersected 21.4 meters of strongly fluorescent barbecue rock. According to the world-renowned CRD expert, Dr. Peter McGaugh, this barbecue rock is a proximal exhaust feature of CRD mineralization. So let's take a look. This is the impressive fluorescence that indicates that we're really close to something. Taking note of the complexity, multiple different textures including breccias and veins, there's yellow, orange, and even pink UV fluorescence, which corresponds to anomalous lead and zinc values shown by the handheld XRF analyzer. And as Dr. Peter McGaugh says, complexity itself is a vector. So what exactly is the importance of this barbecue rock? Well, let's compare that to Water Pump Creek 22-21, which is another occurrence of barbecue rock seen at Water Pump Creek. When Water Pump Creek 21 was drilled last year, we saw this bright orange fluorescent barbecue rock, and that was our indicator that we were close to mineralization. So we took a 30-meter step off and intercepted the high-grade mineralization and drill hole Water Pump Creek 22-22, which refer back to the previous press releases to see those grades. But just comparing the textures, colors, and intensity of these 2 drill holes, we can say that Last Hurrah 5 is very similar to Water Pump Creek 22-21, and we've got to be close to mineralization. So just putting this into a little bit more context, the Last Hurrah drilling profile is 700 meters to the south of the known mineralization at Water Pump Creek. The 2 cross-sections on the right are drawn at the same scale. So here's the fluorescence in Water Pump Creek 22-21, just 30 meters away from the mineralization in Water Pump Creek 22-22. The ore body at Water Pump Creek is 30 to 75 meters wide. And each of the drill holes on the Last Hurrah profile are 120 to 130 meters spaced. So we see alterations spanning across the entire section, which is something around 350 to 400 meters of significant alteration. This large-scale alteration halo at Last Hurrah demonstrates that multiple pulses of hydrothermal fluids affected the zone, and it's a good indication of the size of the system. We are very excited to test this amazing target delineated by the barbecue rock and the opportunity to expand our known mineralized footprint. Thanks so much for listening.